Welcome. In front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. So we have it right here. Next, navigate to Organize, and then select Manage SIM. This automatically displays all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. For me, that's just 3 contacts, and I also want to add that by default, your phone will try to import these contacts to Google, because Google wants to gobble up all the information that they possibly can without the other person's consent, really. Because when you're importing contacts to the Google account, you're basically putting them to the cloud, so Google has access to this. And these are other people's phone numbers along with their names usually, which means that Google just gets free info. There is no reason why Google should get free info, let's be completely clear about that one. They should be going about it just the way everyone else is, buying it. So if they want your info, they should be paying for it to you. And just giving you that glorious thing where, we allow you to store it on our cloud is just an absolute BS, because they are actually benefiting from it. So again, it's not really a greatest kind of excuse. And obviously the people numbers that you'd be importing, they never might have consented to it, just saying. So I always recommend importing your contacts to the device. Now, the reason I kind of talking about this, because typically for me, I don't have this option because I'm not logged into a Google account on this device, but usually between the Manage SIM and the first contact, you will have a drop-down menu. That drop-down menu by default will have Google account selected. And by dropping it, you can also change it to the device. Now, because there is no account signed in, it automatically defaults to the device. Doesn't give me the drop-down menu because there is no other option I can choose right now. So it automatically imports it to the phone itself. So if I click on the import, you can see it imported all 3 contacts. Now you can obviously deselect contacts that you don't want, and if you see some contacts that are already deselected when trying to import them, that's because these contacts exist wherever you're trying to import them to. That'd be a phone or Google account. Now obviously if they are present on Google account, you can still import them again to the phone, but you won't be able to import them twice to Google. Now, as you can see, when we go back to our contacts list, there's many more contacts in here, or many more, well, like 3, but you can see them right here. And additionally, normally when you're connected to Google account, Google will start shitting out notifications about backing up your contacts to the cloud, because give us your data for free. And I will say, go piss off. You can pay for it like everyone else is doing to you. Additionally, they will also probably give you a most moronic pop-up you have ever experienced, which is telling you to delete contacts from the SIM card, because God effing forbid you have a safe copy physically stored on a SIM card. That's not allowed. We want to be the sole holder of your contacts on the cloud, so you're always relying on us. Obviously, based on how I'm saying it, I will recommend you to keep them. So select keep your contacts, don't delete them. They don't get in the way in here at all. And it's just a nice way to have your contacts physically stored on other medium that isn't reliant on some bullshit servers that might go down, or Google might decide to do something, stop supporting it, and boom, your contacts are all gone. So having it on your card gives you the peace of mind. And also if you switch the card to another device, you have automatically access to it without any kind of arbitrary steps needed to have those contacts displayed. You just go in here and you can import them from a SIM card or view them from a SIM card. So there we go. One more thing that I want to add is the display of the contacts. Right now it's selected to display all contacts. This is the default option. You can tap on the drop down right here and choose to display them from also device, which is where I imported them to, and the SIM card. Like I mentioned, I don't need to have them visible, but at least I have access to it if I ever need to. Now, also, if one of these device or the SIM card doesn't have any contacts on it, these options will not show up here. So there we go. Now, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.